All right, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly. Thank you, Jenna X, for sharing this. I recommend everyone take a look at her X account. Really good creator, gives a lot of good information on her page. And right now she's calling out a scam that she came across where she said this F-word is calling people and draining XRP from their wallets. Beware. This is not a real account. He is a scammer pretending to be support from Xaman? I don't know. I don't use this wallet. I apologize for the bad pronunciation. Do not interact. People have been getting drained left and right. Guys, anytime someone online says they can help and all you gotta do is give them some personal information, it is a scam. You give them your information, you will lose everything. If you are someone who uses this wallet, they actually have a legit website, which is xaman.app. They even have a contact page where it shows you all the different ways you can reach out to them through email support, stuff like that. And they will probably not ask you for personal information. If they do, do not give it to them. Remember, guys, there's a lot of scams, fraud, and crazy stuff going on in crypto right now. Again, I'm going to say this one more time. Do not give people your personal information. Do not give them your personal information. I don't care if it's your private keys, passwords to websites, telling you to plug in your ledger or cold storage device into something. Do not do it. All right, guys, if you do, you lose your crypto. You're never getting it back. All right, now that we're all on the same page, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.